Delhi flood mess. Now the Yamuna flows above the danger mark. The Yamuna water level has now receded to 205.59 meters. Officials say that within a short while the level will dip below the danger mark. Now the river is falling rapidly, bringing much needed relief after days of rising water. Victims expressed their griefs at the Delhi-Meerut Expressway camp. My colleagues Anushka as well as Shibang have been tracking the story from the ground for us. Take a look.
We are reporting from Yamuna Bazar in Delhi, where the water level is receding rapidly. The current water level is measured around 205.59 meters, which is slightly above the danger mark, but the water level is receding rapidly. That is a cause of relief for people. We are showing you the visuals of the inside of what this ghat looks like. A lot of people are struggling to wade through this muddy waters. Let's go straight to some people. आपका नाम क्या है सर?
सुरेंद्र।
आप यहाँ पूजा पाठ करने आए हैं?
जी दर्पण करने आए थे।
अच्छा, कितनी तकलीफ हो रही है? बहुत गंदगी,
तकलीफ हो रहा है, बहुत तकलीफ हो रहा है जी, बहुत तकलीफ हो रहा है, बहुत ये क्या कहते हैं, दलदल है, बहुत दलदल है जी।
तो शासन से क्या मांगे, क्योंकि लगातार साफ सफाई
होना चाहिए, प्रशासन को करना चाहिए।
जब से नदी का जलस्तर घटा है, जब से इलाके रहने लायक हुए, तब से मिट्टी काफी देखने को मिल रही है। बहुत सारे लोग हम देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर आ रहे हैं। क्या कुछ तकलीफ हो रही है?
दिक्कत तो हो ही रही है, अभी देख ही रहे हैं, लेकिन ऑटोमेटिक सही हो जाएगी। जब पानी आई है ना, तो ये ऑटोमेटिक है कि वो कुछ परेशानी तो जरूर होगा। इसमें कोई वो बड़ी बात नहीं है, जो नहीं होना चाहिए होना चाहिए, क्योंकि जब पानी आया है तो ऑटोमेटिक है कि दलदल आना ही है।
This is the area where the water had entered the low-lying areas. This Yamuna Bazar area comes under Yamuna's floodplains, and we had seen how 12 foot of water was seen here, and the entire area was submerged inside water. This whole area was inundated. Also, the situation is slowly beginning to normalize now. The pace of the water's fall is faster compared to previous days, giving hope that the worst of the flood-like situation is nearly over. Still, parts of the area remain muddy and waterlogged with debris left behind by the retreating river. Local administration teams are keeping a close watch, ensuring that no fresh breach or overflow takes place as the level continues to recede.
Overflowing Yamuna in the past few days have inundated several areas of Delhi NCR. Now this has forced some people who were residing near the Yamuna to live parallel to the Meerut Expressway. Right now I am currently standing at the Delhi Meerut Expressway, showing you the visuals. Now the conditions have reached at this peak that these people have to stay just parallel to the Yamuna Meerut Expressway. They have noise over here. Currently I will talk to the people and somehow understand what their living conditions are right now.
पहले हम नीचे रहते थे, यहाँ पे हमारी झोपड़ी थी, फिर यहाँ पानी आ गया, रात में 1 बजे करीब पानी आया, फिर ऊपर आए, हम यहाँ पे शिफ्टिंग कराए।
तो यहाँ पर स्थिति पहले अच्छी थी या ऊपर रहने में आपको बेहतर लगती है?
नहीं, नीचे ज्यादा ठीक था, ऊपर तो इतना वो अच्छा नहीं लग रहा। सबको नीचे ज्यादा सुविधा थी, अब ऊपर लोगों को भी आने जाने में प्रॉब्लम हो रही है। सारा ऐसे खुला, ऐसे अच्छा नहीं लगता देखने, इधर उधर भागते रहते हैं, सब सामान वामान कोई बांटने आए तब।
As we can clearly see that people who were living just nearby the Yamuna river, now they say that the conditions over there were much better. Now showing you the visual, as you can see that there is still water, as you can see at these places. That is why they have to just reside. पप्पू जी ये बताइए, आप लोग पहले नीचे रहते थे, तो वो बेहतर था?
हाँ बेहतर था।
अब भी मुश्किलें होती हैं, बच्चों का ध्यान?
अब भी मुश्किल है, पूरी मुश्किल है।
मच्छर काटते हैं, बारिश
मच्छर सारा बारिश सब दिक्कत है।
Now these are the conditions that these people have to live. Earlier they used to live just across the river Yamuna. Somehow some people have said that now they are facing in fact difficulties in using the toilets or washrooms. Some people are facing difficulties in going to their offices because of this, because the area that they used to live in has been changed. This continuous noise, you have to take care of the children. These are the severe conditions now these people have to live in.